Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the speed of the prompter in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. After you open the app, you can see at the top section the prompter option. Click on it, and now you should see in the middle of the screen the text box where you can enter your or type in your text, and there is the last option or icon, the hexagon icon. Click on it, and now you should see the first option is the speed from slow to really fast. So here you can set up the right speed for you, and you can see here that you can change the font size as well and the color of the text. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.